Are you ready to travel to virtually explore the world? Join me on a virtual field trip to the Palace of Versailles. The Château de Versailles, or the Palace of Versailles, is located outside Paris, France, and it was home to French royalty up until the French Revolution. Are you ready to see how royalty lived? All you will need is a computer with Google Streets access. Allons-y! On the results page, find the map view on the right and click. All right, we have a bird's eye view, so we're gonna really have to zoom in. Use the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right. But zoom on in. You're looking for a horseshoe-shaped building. Right here, we're gonna keep on zooming in, make it big on the screen, and there we go. Now let's grab our street view friend. It's this guy in the lower right-hand corner. You're going to click on him and drag him. We're looking for those blue lines to plop them down. The blue circles are photos uploaded by individuals, but we want the official street view access. So look and drop along a blue line. And there we go. We are inside the palace. How cool is this? This is a hallway of mirrors. So you can see there's tons of mirrors, there's sculptures, chandeliers, lots of art and gold. And if you click and drag your mouse, you can pivot around the room, so make sure to look up at the ceiling. Beautiful artwork on the ceiling. You can use your wheel on your mouse to zoom in and zoom back out. Now we're gonna go about the building. What you'll be looking for to get around is an arrow, like this, and X's. X's are a good place to stop and look around, but we're gonna walk down the hallway here, see what we can find. Keep on walking. Take moments to look around at those beautiful chandeliers and sculptures. I'm gonna head into this room over here. And let's pivot. An interesting piece of art right there. Let's head to this room. And I see a painting on the wall that has a blue dot. When you click on the blue dots, it will give you more information about the painting. Let me close out of that. All right, I'm gonna back out of this room by using the back arrow in this top left-hand corner box. I'm gonna drop our little street view friend on another part. Check out that painting. I'm gonna continue down this way. Well, I see a bedroom. Keep on walking. Here we go. A seating area. Another blue dot you can click on to learn more. Looks like we have a dining room. Another blue dot. You want to check out Marie Antoinette. Research about her life and see what role she played in the French Revolution. All right. So this is a general idea of using Google Streets inside the Palace of Versailles. You can always back out and go to another location in the building, or you can check out some of the amazing gardens surrounding the palace. Just make sure to stick to those blue lines. And try to maneuver your way around the gardens. Keep on exploring. There is so much more in this palace. Use the guided activities to really explore the palace grounds. and join us on another field trip